why it's so dark. But it is yet another night with no sleep. 3:30 a.m. I've been awake since 9 p.m. I'll leave for my bus in almost 3 hours, maybe 2.5 at this point. At 6:20. So, yeah. That's weird. You know what's weird? From your point of view, camera, if I was to be a person staring at myself with the same eyes as you, the computer that is shown over there would be on that side. Okay, I'm sorry. It'd be on that side. It'd be flipped pretty much. You'd be seeing the computer on that side of me. To my right, to you, is to my left. It is the computer's to my right. That's right. Okay, that direction is right. I have it so it's flipped maybe, or it's automatically flipped, or it saves as flipped. That direction is right. So I don't look like this. This is not how I look like, because this isn't an accurate view of myself. Also, half of me is dark, which I like to do, right? Let's always do that. Oh, yeah. Pee. Maybe. Something like this ain't nothing but a hound dog. I ain't nothing but a hound dog. 1 for the money, 2 for the clothes, 3 to get ready. Going rock and roll. And around, on. I'm on. Morning, 2 for the clothes, 3 to get ready. Going rock and roll. Rock and roll. No, rock and roll. Yeah, that's right. I'm a secret Elvis. I'm gonna go watch Attack on Titan, because that's what I do now.